Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be downloading the Garmin Hunt and Fish app. We're going to load it to our Garmin Fenix watch and then I'm going to show you how it works on the watch. Now I'm using the Fenix 7X. Shouldn't really matter which version Garmin you've got out there as long as the device can connect to Garmin IQ and as long as the app is compatible with that device. And I'll show you all of that stuff here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go out there and I'm going to show you how to download the app in case there's any people that don't know how to download it. We'll come back and we'll get on my Garmin Fenix 7X and then we'll take a look at the app and see how it works. Okay, so as I mentioned before, now I'm on my cell phone. Now I'm an Apple user. It doesn't matter whether you're an Apple user or an Android user. The one thing you will have to have is the Garmin Connect IQ app. All we're going to do is we're going to go into that app and then down at the bottom, we're going to see a section for search. We can go to search. Now you can search anything you want to, but the thing that we're looking for here is we're looking for apps. I'm just going to go to apps and I'm going to type in hunt and fish. Do a search for it. Now there's going to be a bunch of different apps that show up. You can see that some of them are delivered by Garmin, some of them are delivered by other developers. The one that we're interested in this video though is the Garmin Hunt and Fish app, so I'm just going to select that one. Now I can install it. If I want to, I can go down and read reviews. I can also go and check out the compatible devices, make sure that my device is compatible. Now I've got the Fenix 7X, I know it's compatible. One of the disappointments in my past experience with Garmin is that the Garmin Instinct that has the Hunt and Fish activity, Garmin Instinct Solar I should say, didn't have the Hunt and Fish app, but you can see that it is available on the new Instinct 2. So for those of you that have watched my videos in the past and you were like me disappointed in that, you should be able to get it for your Garmin Instinct 2. But nonetheless, what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to simply click the install button. It says that this app requires GPS location. We're going to allow that access and now the app is downloading. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go get back on our watch and we're going to take a look at the app on the watch. Okay, so now I'm back on my Fenix 7X. Let's go ahead and let's look at the app. Now there's a couple different ways we can do this. You can basically press the up or down button on the left-hand side here. That'll take you to what's called your glances. The app should be available in our glances. You can see that it's the very last item in there because it's the most recent thing that I've downloaded. So that's one way we can get to it. The other way we can get to it is I'm going to just go ahead and go back is we can press the upper right button, which takes us to our apps and activities, and we should see it listed in there. Again, I'm going to go up or down to check out my apps and activities, and the very last one is the Hunt and Fish app. So let's go ahead and press the upper right button to select it, and I'll show you what it does. You can see on my glances, it was showing that today's a poor day. When you go into the app, it basically shows the same thing. It shows me the current date, that it's a poor day, and then it shows me the best times for hunting and fishing. These are the best times up here, and then you've got your good times down here on the bottom. You can also press the button again while you're in the app, and you can go to a different day. So maybe I'm planning on going hunting this weekend, and I want to see what the day is going to look like. Go up a few days, I can see, oh, it's an average day. Then I can press the upper right button again and read more about that day. Okay, the best times are going to be during this time and this time. So maybe I decide to go hunting and fishing a different day. Maybe I plan on taking off of work based off of that kind of stuff. It's kind of a silly app, but I can tell you as somebody who's a hunter, I use this stuff quite a bit, and it turns out to be pretty accurate as far as the activity that you see from animals on these days. It's using your GPS location, and it's basically using the time of year and the moon phase to determine when animals are going to be the most active. Anyway, once you're done with the app, you can simply press the back button, go back to your main watch face, and we've successfully looked at the Hunt and Fish app from Garmin. I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.